Hi, I am attorney Daniel Buckfire, and today I will teach you how to complete an application for no-fault benefits. This is the application for no-fault benefits form. It is a 3-page form. It must be submitted to the proper no-fault insurance carrier within 1 year of the date of the accident and must be signed. At the top of the form, you must fill out the date that you are completing the form, the name of the policyholder, and the accident date. You may not know the file number, and you can leave that blank. For the name of the policyholder, if you had your own insurance policy, you would fill in your name. If you are making a claim under someone else's policy, fill in their name. In the next space, you must fill in the name and address of the auto no-fault insurance company that you are filing a claim with. If you had your own policy, fill in the information for your own insurance company. If you did not have your own policy, this could be a complex issue depending on how the accident happened, and you should consult an attorney to make sure that you are filing your claim with the proper company. In the general section, fill in your information at the top. In the space for brief description of accident, you do not have to be specific and can simply state that you were involved in an automobile accident with another vehicle. If you have the police report, in addition to your brief statement regarding the accident, you can also state, "See accident report," and send it along with the application. Below that, you must indicate whether you, your wife, or any relatives in your household have any other vehicles in your household. The insurance company needs this information to determine whether there are any other insurance policies that might cover your claim. If there are no other vehicles, simply check the box. In the medical section, you should list every part of your body that you experienced an injury or pain immediately after the accident or soon after the accident, even if those pains have gone away or have gotten better since the date of the accident. If you fail to do this, the insurance company may try to deny medical expense payments for those injuries. Now go to page 2. In the top section, indicate the name of the doctor providing treatment. If there are a number of doctors, list them on a separate page and attach that page to your application. If you were treated at a hospital, even if it was only the emergency room department, fill that information in the second section. If you expect to get more medical treatment, make sure you check the box in section 3. On the next part of the form, you must fill in any other health insurance that you had at the time of the accident that might pay for all or part of your medical expenses. Below that, you must indicate whether you ever had any treatment for the same or similar symptoms in the past. I suggest that you think long and hard on this one. For example, if you hurt your back in a car accident and were treated for back pain 20 years ago, be sure to include this in your answer. In the wage loss section, you must indicate whether you were in the course of your employment when the accident happened. This does not mean whether you were driving to or from work, only whether you were actually on the job at the time of the accident. This is important because your workers' compensation insurance company may have to pay for some or all of your expenses. If you are receiving workers' compensation, Social Security, or any other disability payment, you must fill that information in the appropriate place on the form where indicated. If you are a seasonal worker, like lawn maintenance or snow removal, or are temporarily unemployed, where you are actively looking for work even if you do not have a job, I would suggest that you include that information under where it says list name, addresses, and phone numbers of present employees. On the form where it says EXP, you must fill in whether you are having someone help you around the house for things that you did before you were injured in the accident. The person helping you can receive up to $20 per day for these services. In order to be paid for those services, you need also to submit a household service statement to the insurance company and an attending physician's report indicating the need for those services. Please see my how-to videos on those forms. Finally, you must sign and date the application on the bottom of page 2. On page 3, you must sign and date the form in 2 places so the insurance company can get your medical records and employment records that will support your claim. Today, I gave you instructions on how to complete forms that should be submitted to your insurance company in order to obtain no-fault benefits. Before submitting these forms, I recommend that you consult with an attorney to have the attorney review the forms to make sure that they were properly completed. Also, there are strict time limitations involved with submitting claims for benefits. Therefore, again, please consult with an attorney before submitting the claims, and also consult with an attorney to make sure that the claims are being properly submitted. In addition, if you can request a free copy of my book, which goes over the different time limitations and different types of claims that can be submitted to your insurance company.